Hello everyone, I'm here again at the VFW 8495 and I have one more thing for you. This amazing helicopter here, let's read what the plaque says. UH-1H helicopter, Huey chopper, typical missions, air assault, convoy and escort, medevac, personal transport, search and rescue, specifications, gross weight, 7,600 pounds, max cruise 120 miles per hour, max range 285 to 349 miles. U.S. Army UH-1H USA serial number 69-15593. And as you can see, it's quite windy out here. Not that windy, but got our flag going here. And they've cabled off this propeller to the tank to hold it down. It's doing its thing, catching the wind. We've got another picture here. 336 AHC guns Sandwith Wilkes, AC Olson, CE Fiegel, super slick. They were Lucky Strike, and it looks like there is 7 stars there. Let's take a look at this thing. As you can see, there's our foot pedals here, if you can see those. And a fair amount of wires and interworkings there. Our mannequin guy, looks like he's seen better days. Head around this direction, watch my head on the propeller. Let me back up and get a full shot of this. It's an enormous piece of equipment. Got some vents and rivets going on here. And there's some access hatches down there. It's hard to get this entire thing on video. It's much more intense in person. Alright guys, I think that's about all I have for this one. Thanks.